What are you making of the market movement we're seeing right now?
Foreigners have taken a backseat. Local investors have been the most active. We saw them do over 60% of trading yesterday. And normally we've seen that increased foreign demand has been what has been pushing the indexes up. So I think at the moment the reason that we are seeing that stagnation is because of that. At the same time, we've seen Mumias doing very well after their announcement this week. I think investors have seen that they have shown a good future for growth, and so they are actually reacting to that, pushing Mumias' price up. I think as we go forward, we are expecting results to start coming in. So I think the foreign investors are now looking at other parts of the market where they can put their money. So I believe that we are going to see more robust demand. We are going to see more trading. And I think that is a very good thing for the market.
Well, certainly a good thing that local investors are waking up to some of the opportunity that presents itself on the Nairobi markets right now. Let's take a look at Mumias, because you've touched on it, of course, a benefactor of the strong results that were released last week on Friday. But added to that, we've had Mumias say that it's resumed selling 26 megawatts of electricity to KPLC. Has the market read much into that renewed contract coming to the fore?
Well, the fact that they've been given a better price is actually to their advantage. Investors are looking towards that. And also the fact that they're looking to building a new plant in the Tana River Delta is also a plus for them. I think as they prepare and modernize their infrastructure in order to prepare for, say, the COMESA entry, which is supposed to happen very soon, I think Mumias is actually on the right track, and that is actually reflecting on investors' view of Mumias, and I think they're going to be leading the pack as we go forward.
Well, of course, KPLC has agreed to increase its in-feed tariff it pays to Mumias Sugar Company by 33%, so spelling some good fortune for Mumias' bottom line. What about KPLC? Market reaction to KPLC at a time when it's, yes, renegotiated terms of contract with Mumias, but also when it's signed a $7.4 million optic cable lease deal with 3 telecoms companies in Kenya.
Well, KPLC has a lot going for it at the moment. We are actually expecting them to do, they have announced that they are intending, the government is intending to sell off their preferential stake in the company. And I think that at the same time, KPLC has shown a lot of movement towards looking for alternative sources of revenue, and that includes the fiber optic. And I think the fact that they're also supporting green energy is also going to be a big plus for them. I believe that as we go forward, and the fact that we're seeing them look into wind energy in the future, of course, it's coming through Kenyan, but being the only customer to Kenyan, I think KPLC is one of those companies that investors are seeing being a very promising company. And I believe that if they do actually go through the proposed split, it will actually make their share affordable and push the price up.
On the flip side of that transaction, Samuel, Safaricom, money well spent according to the markets?
Come again?
Money well spent for Safaricom going into this deal with KPLC?
Yeah, the fact that the underground cables have seen a lot of problems with vandalism, and that's been cutting connectivity. I believe that using the KPLC lines means that it will be more difficult to vandalize, and that means that they will be up most of the time. I also think that they will get a better reach. It will mean that they're able to reach KPLC's 1-point-something million customers, and this means that they're getting straight into our homes. So I think Safaricom made a very good move, and I believe that that's what investors have been seeing in Safaricom, the fact that they are looking towards finding a way to reach every consumer and being very innovative.